Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. And yes, I have another doll to show you. Seems like lately there's been a lot of dolls showing up here. I keep saying I'm gonna like cool it, but then I see another doll I want. So this is another Ellowyne Wilde doll. This is my second one. Let me go ahead and pull her out of the shipping box here. All right, so if you have been watching my channel, you've seen that I've already gotten a previous Ellowyne Wilde doll. Here she is right here. I did a video recently where I showed these cute little jeans that I got for her, and I made her this little top. But she was my first, and I was so impressed with her that, I mean, that was it. I'm hooked on Ellowyne Wilde. These dolls are designed by Robert Tonner. And this particular doll I purchased from the Virtual Doll Convention. Rachel runs it, and it's a wonderful online store that you can purchase from. And she actually has virtual doll conventions that you can join in. I have joined, I think one of the last ones she did. So this doll I purchased from the Virtual Doll Convention. She has a group of dolls that came out. There are 4 in the collection, along with about a half dozen wigs and a couple of outfits. I purchased one of the dolls and a wig. So let's take a look at her. It was so hard for me just to pick one doll. Not to say I might not go back and get another one, but this is the doll I ended up with. There it is right there. The Baby Doll Basic Red. So this is the basic doll. She has a wig and a very basic outfit. They got her covered up here. Right, so this must be, yeah, this is the wig, Romance. I got the dark wig. You can see a picture of it here. I guess this is it too. This looks more red, but the one I got, I think, yeah, this is dark. I don't know. I am not going to show her in the wig. That'll be a separate video. But here you can see the wig in the packaging. These wigs sold out like super fast, but I know Rachel said they were going to be restocking them. So anybody that's interested, you can keep an eye on her website. She's also got a Facebook page. All right, so now, oh, she's got her top flipped up. Skirt flipped up there. Oh, that's right. So I remember in a video that Rachel did, she said one reason that they're packaged with their faces turned is to protect the face so it doesn't get scratched and stuff. I was going to say it's kind of odd. So here is a little card. Happy New Year Party Supply. You can make something with this, I guess. It's a little template. Okay, that's cute. What else is in here? Oh! How cute is that? That's Dolly size. a little Happy New Year whistle. That's fun. That's cute. All right, what else we got in here? We got her shoes. We have this. This is cute. It's a little, oh, Happy New Year. Oh, put it in the camera, Tammy. Happy New Year. It's a little resin pendant on a keychain with a little, oh, there you go. Yeah, how cute. That's fun. All right, what else is in here? We got the stand, and the bottom of the stand is in here. Here's the top part. She has a saddle stand. When I very first got my first doll, I was like, what kind of stand is this? I didn't get it. But she has a saddle stand. Here's her shoes. Here is the doll. Let me turn her. So they've got, there is her face. All right, so this is, all right, so yeah, so this is inside the box. I think I can just pull this out. All right. Get the paper out of our way. There's a little thingy. Yep, so these dolls are 16 inches high, so they're quite tall compared to like a Blythe doll or a Barbie doll. And they're not as big as a Smart doll, that's for sure. She's got this little netting on her face and her hair. And this is just they call it a basic because she doesn't come with a lot of stock. And from what I gather, the basic line dolls are really made for people like me who want to do stuff with them, want to take photographs and sew for them and that kind of thing. And so that's, like I said, there were a selection of 4 dolls at this moment in time. One of the 4, she has like a cropped style, bob style hair. She sold out pretty quickly. The other dolls were still available on the Virtual Doll Convention website. So, anywho, but yeah, she appealed to me because of the idea of being able to do stuff with her. Like I said, it was really a struggle just to pick one, but I wanted to limit myself because I have to be careful about my money. All right, so I'm gonna take her out of this and be right back so you can see her up close and personal. All right, I got her out of the box. It wasn't very difficult. I do like the packaging. They basically take ribbon and tie her in with the ribbon so this doesn't mark the doll. And it also, you know, you can reuse the ribbon, which I do. Here is the stand. You have to put this in here and screw it in. And it is a saddle stand. I'm not as much against the saddle stand as I first was when I first saw that they had them. So interesting, I was putting this new stand together, and it seems, you know, generally speaking, it's the same kind of stand as the one that my other doll came in, but it's quite a bit shorter. And this one, I don't know, like it spins at the top here. And yeah, it's a little different, and it's shorter. I wonder what the deal is with that. I guess I'll find out when I try to put her in it. These fun little things came in the box, probably from Rachel. Very sweet of her. Hey, Happy New Year, everybody. New dollies. Here are her shoes. Let's take a quick look. These look nice. Wow. Now she has high-heeled feet, and my other doll does not, so they cannot share shoes. Which is okay. How these are nice. Look how well. These are very well made. Wow. Very pretty. Very pretty shoes. Hope she stands up in them okay. I guess I'll find out. But these are nice. I mean, they're a nice neutral color, so they'll go with all kinds of stuff. That's cool. And she, like my other doll, has the painted toenails and the painted fingernails. I think the paint color is a little bit different. This looks brighter. I guess I'm not necessarily planning to do a comparison video. I can do that another time. But anywho, yeah, let's take a look. Before I just get off track here, let's take a look at the doll, Tammy. And she's got her little hang tag. There's no other card or anything with her. Nothing like a you know, authentication, you know, certificate of authenticity or anything like that. And let's take her hair out. All right, so it's curly. It does feel like there's some kind of product in it. I'll have to think about how I'm going. Clearly it's kind of messy, which, you know, that's not a big surprise. She's been in a box. So I'm not sure if I'm going to just pick it out. I mean, I want to keep the curls. So we'll see what I think about that. And it's a wig. It's staying on okay, so that's good. I was a little concerned about that because my Smart Doll wigs, at least the one that's on my tea skin tone doll, the red one, her wig pops off on my Smart Doll all the time. So I was a little leery about getting a wig, but I like the idea of being able to switch out her look. Look how pretty her face is. Oh my goodness. She has painted eyes, but you can see there's a lot of detail. Look at her eyebrows. A lot of detail there. Now that I've done my first face up on a Blythe doll, wow, I'm very impressed with even more so with the quality of a face up, that's for sure. And the detail on her eyes. Everything's painted. There's no, the eyes are not inset, and there's no eyelashes sticking out or anything, but I do have to say those are some pretty impressive painted eyes. Her lips are really pretty. Her skin tone is, I would say, it's not fair. It's kind of like, you know, it's not really tan, but it's not fair-skinned. So it's an okay skin tone for me. She looks like she's in really good shape. That looks like, is that a little mark there? It looks like a teeny mark. I probably can take that out with a Mr. Eraser. You can see her little pointy toes. Yes, and this is a cute outfit. She's got little panties, little matching panties, so that's nice. There's a little hang tag. And this is a cute dress. I mean, I'm not sure if this is supposed to be considered underwear, but to me it's kind of like a little sundress. Something she would wear out. So it's not, in my mind, I would not wear this as underwear. Not in my life, anyway. So I don't see her doing that. But, yeah, let's check her out. Make sure, so her arms move really well. She's got her elbows moving. Let's move her, oh, just right, the top of her moves back and forth. Move her elbows. I always find their elbows to be a little stiff to me. I mean, they do bend, but not like a ton. Let's do this. Yeah, there we go. So she has articulation in the wrist, elbows, up around the arm, the upper torso, her knees, not her ankles, her hip joints. They don't come out, but they go back and forth. And then, of course, her head. Don't pop her hair off, Tammy. Her head's got some good movement to it. Yeah. Okay, so I was a little unsure about getting another one of these, I have to say, because I really, really like the first one that I got. The her name is Right on White, and I adore this doll. I've been doing all kinds of sewing for her and everything. And these dolls have painted eyes, not inset eyes, and her hair is not rooted. It's a wig, so I wasn't sure, but I'm so glad I got her. She's so pretty. I was also uncertain about how, you know, was she going to be too similar to Right on White, but let's do a quickie. Maybe I'll do a more thorough comparison video at some time, but you can see there's a significant difference here. Yes, very much so. So close enough to where I like her, because I like the look of the Ellowyne Wilde doll, but different enough so that she's not the same exact doll. Woo, how pretty is she? All right, so I'm going to try to mess with her hair just a teensy bit, not a ton. Put her on the stand, take a few photos. Like I said, I'll do a follow-up video where I'll play with her wig a little bit, but so keep an eye out for that. I'll do one just about her wig, and we'll put her in the wig and everything. But I don't want this to be like a 30-minute video. Even though I could sit here and yammer all day about her because she's so darn pretty. But, all right, so let me go ahead and put her in some poses for you guys. Take a few photos, get her shoes on, all that good stuff. And, yeah, hang out for a few more minutes so you can see some pictures of her. Otherwise, I'm going to wrap it up here. You guys have a wonderful Dolly Day. Thank you so much for stopping by and spending some time with me. Please make sure you give this a thumbs up. Share it to anybody you know out there in the Dolly world that might be interested. And have a wonderful Dolly Day. Bye-bye. So I was getting ready to comb her hair out, and I noticed she does not have pierced ears. Look at this. I thought they all had pierced ears, which I'm fine with. I'd rather honestly not have pierced ears if there's not going to be any earrings with her. And as you know, I'm not like super impressed with the piercing job that my first Ellowyne Wilde doll has. So, you know, like if it can't be done right, just like leave her ears alone. But I was under the impression that they all had pierced ears. So, interesting. I thought I just mentioned that. Oh, also, the reason why this stand is shorter is because it retracts and extends. Huh. So that is the doll that I got before she came out in 2015, I think. So this is an older stand. So they have obviously improved on the stands. So how funny is that?